According to the instruction, you need to heat the milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit and then cool it to 75 degrees Fahrenheit and then marry the starter at the milk at that time. Then I realized that all the milk from American supermarket has already been pasteurized, so it's a waste of time and energy to heat it up and then cool it down again. So I started to just let the milk rise to room temperature and then marry the starter at the milk. Then I realized even that is not smart science. So right now I just start to take the milk from the fridge and then right away just add them together. And I'm using this slow cooker insert as a container. You don't have to use the same thing. You can use any container or you can use the individual yogurt jar. I'll put the link for the kefir starter and yogurt jar in the description box. Basically, that's it. And let it sit at room temperature for 24 hours. So, see you tomorrow.
Today is tomorrow. I'm quoting my son because sometimes he asks me for something or asks me to do something with him. I was busy. I would say tomorrow. And when tomorrow comes, he'll say, Mom, today is tomorrow. Now let's do it. Okay, so yesterday I started the kefir yogurt in my kitchen. Let's check on the kefir yogurt I started yesterday. This is the yogurt I started yesterday. Looks fine to me. Okay, let's give it a test. That's about good enough for me. One more spoon.
1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds. 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds. 1 tablespoon of apple chips. Some juicy blueberries. And some fresh strawberries. And that is my breakfast.
It's so delicious. It's so comforting. It's so good. This kefir yogurt never fails. It never disappoints me. I eat it every morning and I never go see doctors. Maybe that's one of the reasons I don't go see doctors. I don't have ambitious dreams, but I do want to live to 120. I need to because I want to see my younger child grow really old. So this is so easy and so tasty and so healthy. Maybe that's something you can do to yourself in 2022. With that, eat well, take care, and see you in next video.